Hi, Seb from Froglogic here. Just when you thought test automation with Squish couldn't get any better, our devs met a genie, made a wish, and gained divine dev powers to bring us Squish 6.7. We go through the newest features in under 5 minutes. If you want a full rundown of everything new, take a look at the description below. But now, let's get started. Squish 6.7 introduces a brand new addition to the Squish GUI tester ecosystem, Squish for VNC. This edition uses state-of-the-art image detection and AI-based OCR algorithms to enable robust and reliable GUI test automation for virtually any display. Squish for VNC abstracts away the technology used for building the user's interface, which makes it possible to test applications built with legacy or completely custom UI technologies. Perform real acceptance tests by seeing and verifying exactly what the user sees. You're automating the full display. Even multi-process apps and GUIs are easily automated. Smart image detection and AI-powered OCR tech make identifying and testing custom UI controls robust and reliable. Separate from the common use case of custom UI tech, this edition is also good for teams working with memory-constrained embedded devices or security-conscious apps that don't allow an external testing tool like Squish to access the application's internals. Squish for Qt was extended to feature full support for applications built with the latest Qt major release, Qt 6. The Squish script API is fully compatible with Qt 6, but heads up, if you're using the Qt API extensively, some tests may need updating. Squish for Windows now fully supports .NET 5 applications and allows replaying gestures such as pinching or swiping for applications using touchscreens such as the ones featured on Microsoft Surface devices. Getting in touch with the Froglogic tech support team is easier and faster than ever. In a couple of clicks you can send your support request directly from and while in the Squish IDE, with the necessary support logs needed to diagnose your case automatically sent. Questions on best practices or how to make the most out of Squish? Get in touch with the Froglogic experts and benefit from having years of experience right at your fingertips. You can find Squish 6.7 packages in your download area. If you're new to our tool, you're welcome to get started with Squish for free, with a fully supported and fully functional evaluation copy. If you want to learn more about Squish 6.7, see it demoed live, or participate in a live Q&A with the engineers who developed the features, make sure to join our release webinar. For further questions or feedback, you can find us on Facebook, Twitter and LinkedIn, or drop us a quick comment in the comment section below this video. Thanks for watching.